In this video, I'm going to be walking you through on how to open a Facebook account step by step using your smartphone. You are welcome to my channel. My name is Divine Anayochukwu. Just make sure you stick around till the end of this video so that you don't miss out anything. Before you open fresh account, make sure you log out from the existing one. But before you log out, make sure you save your old password if the existing Facebook account is still important to you. Now click create new account. On your screen, you are going to see join Facebook account. You click next. Now you enter your name. You are advised to use your real name since you are creating personal account for yourself so that people that know you will be able to recognize you, right? Enter your mobile number correctly. Type your date of birth, your gender, male or female. Your password should be at least 6 characters and put a password you can be able to remember. Click sign up. After you have signed up, you will see an option that will ask you, is not your account. Go straight to the down pass and say no, create new account. Guys, you can see we are almost done. You can see the name Emma Ado. Option to save your password automatically will come out. So according to your choice, you can save it. You can save your password. If you don't want your password to be saved, you click never. In this stage, they would want to confirm if this phone number actually belongs to you through confirmation code. It's better for you to click the second option through SMS because it's faster and safer. Go ahead and type the 5-digit code of which they have sent to you. You can see our account is almost done. We are going to update our profile picture. There will be an option to choose a photo or to skip it. You go straight to your, either you take fresh photo or you go to your gallery. You can see my photo has shown already. We go ahead and update it. If you like, you choose a frame of your choice. Please subscribe to my channel, like and share. You can see our Facebook account is done and dusted. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.